بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मोहतरम नाजरीन और सामीन, आए हम आपको एक वीडियो दिखाते हैं जिसमें साबिका सदर और साबिका चीफ़ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ पाकिस्तान जनरल परवेज़ मुशर्रफ साहब पाकिस्तान में जमात अहमदिया के ख़िलाफ़ बने हुए मजहबी मुनाफरत पर मबनी काले कवानीन के ख़िलाफ़ अपने ख़यालात का इजहार करते हैं। आइए ये वीडियो देख।
My name is Ehsan Rehan and I work with Rawat Times. I wanted to get your views on the anti-Ahmadiyya laws of Pakistan. Anti-Ahmadiyya laws, which target the minority Ahmadis for the act of saying Assalamu alaikum or reading the Quran, which is like the only law of its kind in any country in the Muslim world, which basically criminalizes any Islamic act. Even the Azan is criminalized for the Ahmadis. How do you view those laws?
Yeah, this is a very sensitive question that you're asking, really. Personally, I believe in tolerance, I believe in moderation, I believe in allowing anyone and everyone that religion should be between him and his God. And I don't believe in interfering in that domain. But unfortunately, the Muslim world is many are divided on this issue. If we take Pakistan, well, let me not go into that, it will be a long answer. But they took a certain decision on the Ahmadiyya issue. And this was done at a time in Mr. Bhutto's regime, which really was most, they were most non-religious, I would say, he himself. So, but it has been taken, and I think it is very, very difficult to undo it now. That is all that I can say, and I would not like to comment further whether it is right or wrong. It's a very serious religious issue, although I personally, as I said, believe in tolerance and accepting whatever religious views anyone holds.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khadija Bashir, and my question is concerning the Pakistani passport. So, being an Ahmadi Muslim myself, and due to our religious status being on the passport, we have suffered immense discrimination. I would like to ask, why did you decide not to remove the religion section from the passport when you were president? You said that you would.
Yeah, this is again the same sensitive question, really, and I would like to pass this question. I do understand your concerns, and I have my great sympathy with Ahmadis. And I'm not saying that because you are an Ahmadi. I'm saying that because many of my friends and very close friends have been and are Ahmadis. And I think you are a community which is very educated and very progressive and very dynamic. I mean every word of it. So therefore, one should favor you, yes. But one has to see the bigger issue of Pakistan and turmoil within Pakistan. So one has to balance sympathies towards your community with realities on ground. So you'll have to live with it. One hopes that better times will come.
Inshallah. Thank you.